So you want to be a Power BI developer, okay? One of the things that we often talk about is Power BI. How am I going to become a developer? How am I going to make myself great? Can I become like one of them MVPs, or can I just be that person in the business who knows everything about what's going on? Okay? I don't know, you might have your own reasons. Let us know down below what they are. 3 things that you should do, okay? And you need to do these 3 things. There's no shortcuts to it, okay? You are going to have to spend a lot of time and effort at it, so you might as well just accept that now. Step number 1, I would say, is register with learn.microsoft.com. Okay, they have all the course material there for their exams, like the PL300, which would be kind of your Power BI data analyst exam. It's there. You can do all the course material there. They've got demos. They set up demo environments so you can go through and you can do that. Do it there, right? You can explore it at your own time. Put time aside, speak to your boss at work, maybe they'll give you some time to do it as well. Okay, but you use that time, you learn the skills there. Okay, you're going to need to buy books as well, but that's something separate. Second thing I would say is register with SQLBI.com. Okay, like everyone I've spoken to, business-wise or that, right? SQLBI.com. It's just like, nah, right? That's who you go to. SQLBI.com is where you aspire to get to once your development is at a really good level in terms of doing their Mastering DAX course, okay? But they have free courses that will help you in the early days. Do those free courses as soon as you can, okay? But intermix it with the DAX stuff you do on the Microsoft Learn site. And lastly, I would say, and this is probably the most important thing, okay? The most important thing, find your own data, okay? Find something that you are passionate about. It might be that you need to go to Kaggle. It might be that you've got something somewhere. You might have like a local sporting league where you've got a spreadsheet for those. It could be, oh, we've got a volunteer roster set for something. Who's going to walk the old ladies or do the dog run, I don't know what. Okay, doesn't matter what it is. It really doesn't. The important thing is that the act of you finding your own data that you know and that you are passionate about will encourage you to take it to the next level. Okay? You can use the learnings that you've got from SQLBI and the learnings that you've got from Microsoft.com, and you can start to bring those together in that model and build something using, that free tool set that is Power BI Desktop. So download Power BI Desktop. Say, I don't have a Power BI license. You don't need one. When it tells you to sign in, just go, yeah, I'm not going to bother. Okay, and you can use it to your heart's content. Learn the skills you need from that tool set. Okay, do it on something you know and that you're passionate about, and you can then produce report content. Oh, well, this means this. This means that. Okay, all too often I see content where people have produced something, but they haven't understood the data. And I see it on LinkedIn. I see it where it's like, oh, I've done this. It's brilliant. It looks nice, but you've not understood what it means, so you have random things. If you understand the data, that's the most important part. And that's really that intro to Power BI that you need. Kind of pick something that you know and really funnel your learnings into it. Run it past your friends, run it past the other people that you do whatever it is you do with it, and you'll find you get a huge success from it. For me, obviously, we did lots of work with Jesmond Dean Parkrun. I'm heavily involved in Jesmond Dean Parkrun. I'm the event director of it, so I'm kind of like, it makes sense for me to do it on that data set. It's a great feature-rich data set that allows lots of little tweaks to it to be made to it, and it's something that I can feed back to our customers, what we do and why we use it. Analogues of what we see in the corporate world. So we see things in corporations and companies where they say, for your retail, in terms of who's our frequent flyer list, which is one of the things you had for various things, like who keeps coming, who's our regular users, who are these. That's all stuff we can put in from there. Who actually is going and running the park run regularly? Who are the most regular, the most frequent, the most prevalent? Those are things that you'll find that even though you think, well, it's got nothing to do with corporate, nothing to do with what my day job is, you can leverage and learn from that and make lots of success.